Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Google can record where you go. Enable location and set location history on the Google account you'll use because timeline depends on them. Open Google Maps, tap your profile avatar, and choose your timeline. If you're not signed in, sign into the correct account now. Grant required permissions, location, activity, and background access so Google can log movements automatically. Once these are allowed, Maps will begin collecting trips and places for the timeline view. Now examine a specific day in your timeline to verify routes and stops. Tap a time segment to expand details, then correct inaccuracies by editing place names, arrival and departure times, or the transport mode so your history reflects reality. If a visit is missing, add a place manually and place it on the map, and if duplicates exist, merge or delete them to tidy records. These edits improve future auto-classification and searchability, so make sure to save changes as you go. Finish by configuring privacy and data control options for your timeline. Set auto-delete windows or pause location history entirely if you prefer less retention, and verify device-level permissions and background activity are allowed. To back up data, export via Google Takeout, or remove specific days or all history from timeline to erase traces. If locations are missing or outdated, troubleshoot by disabling battery saver, ensuring Maps has background permissions, toggling location off and on, and forcing a sync to prompt immediate uploads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.